Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 27 minutes past 8 uh, in the evening, and today is 31st of August 2021. So how are you guys doing? How's your trading happening, right? So I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst. I'm partner with Zerodha Upstocks Fires and Astha Trade, and I'm founder and chief mentor at StockPro. So this, what you see on the screen, is my Twitter handle, where I keep posting my research analysis, which is, I think, I would put myself into a place where I would say that it is definitely a world-class research that I give you, and you do see, the good breakouts coming in the stocks. And here I am today to give you the end of the day summary, right? So first, let's begin with Nifty. What happened in Nifty? This is Nifty uh, uh, futures. These are Nifty futures, I think so. If I understand, yeah, this is Nifty future. Wait a sec. This is how Nifty future is, and if I just draw the Nifty in cash, this is how Nifty spot look like, right? So if I just make it one day, you see today it had a very powerful opening, right? Yesterday, sorry, not today, but yesterday the opening that happened was a very powerful opening, right? It has demolished this boundary which it was actually trying to break through for the last many days, right? Let me come back here. So this is how Nifty looks like, and if I just draw it here, this was the boundary, and Nifty was fighting to break this boundary from 18th August onwards. So 18th, 20th, 24th, 23rd, 24th, so 18th to about 27th. That means about 9 days it took, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading sessions it took to break this boundary, right? And look at this gap that has created. This gap is basically a very strong sentiment of Nifty to be bullish, right? And that was reflected in its open interest. So before I proceed on, I want to bring you to my Telegram channel. And tomorrow we are not going to be trading, as it's 1st of September, and we're going to be in protest towards SEBI's new rule of margin. We are not going to be trading tomorrow, neither will be giving trades. But at the same time, we'll be conducting a grand learning session. So along with me, two other mentors will teach you something very different. We're going to first discuss about the SEBI's new margin rule. Then we're going to be, you'll be taken to the understanding of open interest. What is open interest? Then we'll be talking about price action by Pankaj, and then in the end, I'm going to talk about the candlestick pattern, and a highly accurate trading strategy for beginners is what I'm going to be giving you. So join us here, right? The link will be provided on my Telegram channel. So, or you can get it on the Twitter as well, right? You can get it on the Twitter as well, or you can get it on my StockPro's Twitter handle as well. And you can get the link of my Telegram channel in the description box below. So this is how Nifty looked, very powerful. Now let's analyze Nifty with the help of option chain. So here I am at Nifty's option chain, and look at the huge unwinding that took place, right? 34,927 contracts have been unwinded at 17,000, right? In fact, if you have a look at it, almost at all the levels, Nifty unwinded, right? Nifty unwinded at almost all the levels. Uh, below, like see here, you just see all this unwinding happening. Let me just take a pen, that'll make it better. So see, all this is unwinding happening till the level of 1750, right? And huge amount of base has been formed as far as the put side is concerned, right? As far as the put side is concerned, you see here, this is the base that has been formed, right? So Nifty has shifted in the upper direction. The base of Nifty has shifted in the upper direction. तो निफ्टी का बेस जो है ऊपर की तरफ शिफ्ट हुआ है, और निफ्टी लुक्स वेरी बुलिश. तो मैं किस फैक्टर पे आपको ये बात बोल रही हूँ? उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, हम चलते हैं देखने के लिए कि इंडेक्सेस में आज क्या हुआ, राइट। क्योंकि इंडेक्स को देखने से हमको बहुत चीजें समझ में आएंगी कि क्या होता है, कौन सा सेक्टर जो है मार्केट को बुलिश बनाता है। तो फर्स्ट सेक्टर जो मेरा मानना है, आज तक मैं बार बार अपने वीडियोस में बोलती हूँ और मैंने बहुत बार ये बात रिपीट भी की है, और अगर आप लोग इस बात का एक, इफ यू वांट टू मेक इट अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑब्जर्वेशन, you can keep a note of it. When metal is bullish, market will be bullish, right? And the reason, there are many reasons. I have told my students what are the reasons why metal makes such a strong backbone of Nifty. Then after that, like if you have a look at all the other sectors, as I told you yesterday in yesterday's video, that infra has given a very beautiful breakout, and the breakout continued today, right? उसी तरह सर्विस में, निफ्टी सर्विस सेक्टर में ब्रेकआउट चालू रहा। एंड कल जो आईटी सेक्टर, सारे सेक्टर पॉजिटिव थे, एक आईटी नहीं चल रहा था, आज आईटी में भी एक ब्रेकआउट आया है, राइट। लुक एट निफ्टी फाइनेंस एंड लुक एट ब्यूटीफुल निफ्टी 200, 500, FMCG, all the sector except CNX मीडिया, एक्सेप्ट मीडिया, निफ्टी मीडिया छोड़ के सब में जो है एक अच्छा खासा मूवमेंट आया है। और आई एम गोना शो यू कि कैसे, हाउ द ओपन इंटरेस्ट इज बिल्डिंग अप, राइट। अगर आप देखते हो तो इंफ्रा में लॉन्ग्स क्रिएट हुए, राइट। ये लॉन्ग्स है, ये शॉर्ट है, लॉन्ग अनवाइंडिंग एंड शॉर्ट कवरिंग, राइट। जहां पे शॉर्ट्स क्रिएट किए हुए थे वहां से एग्जिट कर रहे हैं लोग अपने शॉर्ट्स को। और कहाँ पे शॉर्ट्स क्रिएट हो रहे हैं, प्राइवेट बैंक में शॉर्ट्स क्रिएट हो रहे हैं बाय लुकिंग एट द ओपन इंटरेस्ट, एंड मीडिया में जो है शॉर्ट्स क्रिएट हो रहे हैं। तो इंफ्रा में जबरदस्त बाय हो रहा है, दैट यू सॉ बाय द इंडेक्स इटसेल्फ, राइट। आपने इंडेक्स को देख के भी उससे पता लगाया है कि इंफ्रा जो है इज हेडिंग अप। एनबीएफसी, राइट, like LIC Housing Finance, IBUL Housing Finance, or Bajaj Finance, these are all NBFCs. Or then we have Nifty stocks, right? Open interest is building up. IT, very strong bullish sentiment. Metal is OI. Look at this as OI, right? Open interest is 3.1%, right? This is how metals are. So metals are looking very strong, and even auto has such a strong OI build-up. Right here, see here, 10%, right? One of the highest in all the sectors, right? If you see here, out of all these sectors, the auto has the highest open interest, right? And slight increase in price. That means there is a huge possibility that market tomorrow may be led by autos, right? Because open interest has increased, but the price has not increased. So there could be a possibility tomorrow the rally may come in auto, right? Then what could be under stress tomorrow? किस में आप स्ट्रेस एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो? मीडिया में कर सकते हो और प्राइवेट बैंक में कर सकते हो, ठीक है। और शॉर्ट कवरिंग कहाँ पे हो रही है, कौन कौन से सेक्टर में जहां पे लोग पहले शॉर्ट करके बैठे हुए थे अब उससे एग्जिट कर रहे हैं? एक तो ऑटो एंसिलरीज। सो कौन कौन से ऑटो एंसिलरीज है हमारे पास? एक मदरसन सुनिए, राइट। टू एन एक्सटेंट हम एक्साइड इंडस्ट्रीज, एक्साइड को और हमारा राजा को भी हम ऑटो एंसिलरी में ले सकते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ बैटरीज बीइंग यूज्ड इन ऑटोज। देन सीमेंट सेक्टर में शॉर्ट कवरिंग हो रही है, फर्टिलाइजर में शॉर्ट कवरिंग हो रही है, एंड टेलीकॉम में शॉर्ट कवरिंग हो रही है, राइट। सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वन थिंग, जब भी शॉर्ट कवरिंग होती है, राइट, यू विल सी अ ह्यूज बाउंस इन द मार्केट। लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, आज आपने देखा होगा भारतीय एयरटेल में, राइट, भारतीय एयरटेल वाज ब्लास्टिंग, राइट। ये ब्लास्ट कब आता है? दिस ब्लास्ट कम्स इन व्हेन देयर इज अ शॉर्ट कवरिंग, राइट। जब लोग अपनी शॉर्ट की पोजीशंस को अनवाइंड करते हैं तो मार्केट में एक जबरदस्त मूवमेंट आता है, राइट। अगर आप ये देखो, जो ये धीरे 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 मार्केट ऊपर जा रहा है, इसमें लॉन्ग बिल्डअप हो रहा है, राइट। बट जब शॉर्ट कवरिंग होती है, जैसे यहाँ पे शॉर्ट जनरेटेड थे, यहाँ पे इस जगह पे शॉर्ट्स क्रिएट किए हुए थे, दिस प्लेस शॉर्ट क्रिएटेड। अब शॉर्ट जब क्रिएट होते हैं, अगर उसको जब अनवाइंड होते हैं शॉर्ट्स, देन यू सी अ सडन बाउंस इन द प्राइस, राइट। सो आपने देखा आज भारतीय एयरटेल में शॉर्ट कवरिंग थी, राइट, विच आई हैव शोन यू हियर एज वेल, कि टेलीकॉम में शॉर्ट कवरिंग थी, राइट। आपने और भी बहुत सारे ऐसे स्टॉक्स देखे होंगे जिनमें कि आज जबरदस्त ब्रेकआउट था, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आइशर मोटर, राइट? This is short covering. This is purely short covering, right? And you can also see there are some other stocks that I could have shown you. Not this. Okay, so basically, Eicher Motor for sure has shown short covering, right? So let's hope for the best for tomorrow. Like there is Ashok Leyland, which is again auto stock. Then we have a Scots, which is an auto stock, right? देखते हैं कल इनमें क्या होता है. अगर मार्केट पॉजिटिव रहता है, मार्केट still continues to go up, we can definitely expect a good movement in the upper direction. So now कल का स्टैंस मार्केट का क्या होगा, राइट? तो एक मेरा मतलब एक थोड़ी सी एनालिसिस है. अब सही है गलत है, कितनी सही है कितनी गलत है मुझे नहीं पता है, बट एक मेरा परसेप्शन है अपना. तो ये बैंक निफ्टी का ग्राफ है, राइट? आप देखो बैंक निफ्टी का ग्राफ है. आज तक बैंक निफ्टी ऑलमोस्ट लाइक मई से लेके 24 मई से लेकर और 30th ऑफ अगस्त तक, जून जुलाई अगस्त 3 महीने से बैंक निफ्टी स्ट्रगल कर रही है टू ब्रेक दिस रेंज, राइट? तो आज बैंक निफ्टी ने जो क्लोजिंग दी है वो इस पास्ट बैरियर के ऊपर दी है, राइट? अगर कल इस जगह के ऊपर जाती, जहां से ये सेलर्स ने इनिशिएट किया था अपने ट्रेड को इनिशिएट किया था, अगर बैंक निफ्टी कल इसके ऊपर जाती है तो आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग फॉर श्योर a target of 37,200, right? A movement of about from this place, जहाँ पे भी हम हैं अभी, यहाँ से 600-700 पॉइंट्स का मूवमेंट आता हुआ दिखाई दे रहा है. और अगर वो भी क्रॉस हो जाता है तो हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं अबाउट 1200 पॉइंट्स का मूव. और अगर बैंक निफ्टी पॉजिटिव होती है तो निफ्टी फॉर श्योर इज गोइंग टू बी अगेन approaching towards new lifetime high, right? So today we stand on Tuesday, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is weekly expiry. So let's see how market goes. But as of now, the open interest in Nifty is positive, is very positive. The volumes have been really good today, so I'm expecting a great movement in the upper direction, right? So this is my summary of today's markets, and let's have a look at the stocks which move the market, right? What are the market movers? So on top of it, it is Bharti Airtel. And if you see here on my channel, I had given Bharti Airtel in the morning itself, right? By Bharti Airtel above 630, right? So Bharti Airtel was the top gainer and it went till about 667. After that, it was IEX, then Bajaj Finance, then Eicher Motor, Adani Enterprises, Indigo, Hindalco, Apollo Hospital, right? Again, Apollo Hospital has had a very, very powerful move today. If it crosses today's high, then again it's going to continue in the upper direction. So in the morning only, I had given a buy on SRF. So here's the buy SRF at 9900, and I've given it about 918, right? Look at the kind of blast it had. In fact, I made good money in this about 2.37 lakhs, right? So when your research is good, when your research is bang on, nobody can stop you from making money, right? So I just want to give you one stock, right? Just one stock. I don't believe in when I'm making a YouTube video. I want to just give you one stock, right? So that one stock that I have on my radar, let me have a look at it, is PEL, right? This one stock is PEL. And where am I going to buy? I'm going to buy it about 2660, right? That's going to be my buying price, right? You can go for its call option, in the money call option. You can buy its futures, you can buy its cash. जो भी आपको सूट करता हो, जो भी आपका टेम्परामेंट हो, उस हिसाब से आप ले सकते हो, ठीक है? तो आई हैव वेरी सॉलिड रीजंस, मतलब एक्सट्रीमली सॉलिड रीजंस मेरे पास है इसके लिए. और when I say reason, means I have a kind of all the data points connected, and when all the data points connect, I definitely want to go for a buy. And buy हम करेंगे 2660 के ऊपर, and for a target of 2700, then 2750, then 2800, 2800, and if 2800 is crossed, then 2850, right? So you can hold it till Friday. I'm sure till Friday it should cover up this distance if it has to, right? So let's see tomorrow. This is what my analysis for today. All the best, guys. Remain connected with Stock Pro in wherever you want, on Twitter, on Telegram, on YouTube, on wherever you want, on Facebook, on Instagram, wherever you are. Just follow us and like and subscribe our channel, and take care. All the best. And again, one stock that I'm giving you, because I feel market is extremely bullish, and that one stock that I want to give you is PEL. All the best, guys. Take care and see you tomorrow in the live market, as we are conducting a live learning session, right? We are conducting a live learning session, right? In this live learning session, you will learn a lot of things, lot of, and just free. Just we want to utilize the day, because we're not trading. We're supporting the trading community by not trading, but at the same time, we want to utilize our time, and we're going to do our level best by imparting some learning lesson to you all. Take care, guys. See you tomorrow in the live market, but with no trading at all. Bye bye. Take care.